Hey today learners, today we are going to learn about how to create this Ghibli trend over the internet without taking any subscription. You can create this kind of images like this. So why has this Ghibli trend is taken the internet by storm? I'll tell you. So it's all began with OpenAI launched its GPT-4 based on image generator. Sam Altman himself set the internet buzzing itself on the PFP, which means profile picture on his Twitter account. Then users quickly started creating their own AI generated Ghibli worlds. So you can see these are all are changing the internet. So today we are going to learn about how to create this Ghibli trend over through ChatGPT without paying any subscription. Let us start the creating the Ghibli trend. So go to the ChatGPT and sign in for your account. Just upload your image which you want to create the Ghibli effect. So just update and write a simple prompt like create a Ghibli effect to this image. So then you can see the beautiful of the Ghibli effect image is in front of you. So this is a simple way of to create the Ghibli effect. So try this and comment me below whether you have tried or not. So that is for today guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button.